Hi guys, so today it's just a short clip to teach you how to work your picots, also to know which side to keep for very beautiful picots. All right, first of all, as you can see, I work a single crochet that does not have a picot, and then the next single crochet always has a picot. So what happens here is, as you can see now, for my next stitch I will work a single crochet. Now for the next I will work a single crochet, then chain 3 and get down into that single crochet and pass my hook into the 2 loops of that single crochet, pull through a loop, and then pull through to work a slip stitch. So in that way I have created a picot on top of my single crochet. That means the next stitch is going to be just a plain single crochet. I'm sorry about the sound, but yes, this is what you have to do for all your stitches for where you're placing your picots. Just do that until you come to the end of it all. Now I want to show you what happens when you work your picots and which side to keep to have prettier picots. Okay, now see that I have finished my picots. All right, right there, this side looks like the picots are flat, and when I turn my working out, the picots actually look much more prickier, like they look like pearls were glued onto my piece. Okay, so for me, I don't keep what would be the right side. It looks flat, so I change my working out to have these very pretty picots. Bye.